Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to auto-generate certificates of your journalism courses online and WhatsApp to all participants. So let's take an example that you are an online journalism course provider. You have already enrolled the students in your journalism course, and whenever a student completes the course, you share a paper form with them to receive the course completion certificate. Now, you want that whenever you receive a response in paper forms, a certificate is sent to the students on its WhatsApp number. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of each and every student from paper form, manually create the certificates, then go to the WhatsApp number, compose a message and send the messages along with the certificates to your students. So this will be a very time consuming and a tiresome process. Instead of this, you can choose a second option, that is create an automation, so that whenever a form is submitted, automatically the certificate is created in Google Slides and automatically the certificate along with the message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the student. But here there is one problem, that there is no direct connection between paper form, Google Slides and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating paper form with Google Slides and then with WhatsApp also. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. Now here we are using paper form to collect the form responses. Instead of paper form, we can use Google Forms, Jot Forms or any other form builder application. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my paper form which I have created, EMC Institute of Journalism, Certificate in Foundation of Journalism. Okay, here I have asked for the name, mobile number and email address of my student. This is the certificate template. So I want whenever this particular form is filled, using this particular template, automatically a certificate should be created and it should be saved in my Google Drive, and the same certificate along with a message should be sent on the WhatsApp over here. Okay, so let us fill this form first. I'll just give the name as Reyansh Gupta. Let's give the mobile number over here, 7999724918, and let's give the email address as Reyansh Gupta 25@gmail.com, and let's click on submit. Submission successful. Check your WhatsApp for certificate. Okay, so let's move to our Google Drive. I'll just refresh this Google Drive. Okay, before refreshing, I can see a certificate Reyansh Gupta is created over here. I'll just go to my WhatsApp account. And here we can see a message, hello Reyansh Gupta, congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the online journalism course. Please find the attached PDF containing your certificate. We know this certificate will be a great addition to your resume and we want to help you get there. Hope for your significant and successful career in life. Best regards, EMC Institute of Journalism. So here we can see a message. Now let us download this file also. I'll just click here. I'll just open it. Here we can see a certificate, EMC Institute of Journalism, Certificate of Completion. This is to certify that Reyansh Gupta has successfully completed the online journalism course. The date is mentioned, the director's signature is mentioned, and along with a certificate number. So here you might be wondering that I just filled a form in my paper form account and automatically a certificate is created in my Google Drive and the same certificate is sent on the WhatsApp number of the student along with a message. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 5 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So let me show you my steps now. So here, step 1, connect paper form to Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect will offer us a webhook URL. Using that webhook URL, we have to create an integration between paper form and Pabbly Connect. Step 2, collect the data from Paperform in Pabbly Connect. So here at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Paperform. Step 3, send the same data to Google Slides for creating a certificate from template. So at step 3, whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Paperform, the same data will be sent to Google Slides, and by using a template, automatically a certificate will be created. Step 4, save the certificate in Google Drive. So at step 4, the certificate which has been created in Google Slides, it will be converted and saved. It will be converted into a PDF file so that it can be shared with anyone, and it will be saved into the Google Drive. Step 5, send the certificate on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So the certificate which is saved and created in Google Drive, the same certificate will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the student. And here we are using 360 dialog application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we will be creating an integration between Paperform, Google Slides, Google Drive and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here, as you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by signing up. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll just click on sign in. In the all apps section, scroll down, come to Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as Send Journalism Certificates on WhatsApp. So here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement. I am just giving it as Send Journalism Certificates on WhatsApp. And let's click on create. Here you can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger and what is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a paper form is submitted, we receive a response in paper form, automatically a certificate should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the student. So in the trigger application, let's open the trigger window, and here we are going to select the application name as paper form. Here in the trigger event, we have to select new form submission. Here we can see a webhook URL. So let us read the instruction which is given here. Just log into your paper form account, edit the form, after submission option, webhook, and paste the above URL there. Okay, so first we have to go to our paper form account. I'll just open my paper form account. This is my paper form dashboard. Okay, here you can see so many forms I have created. I'll just open this form, EMC Institute of Journalism, which I have created for this particular journalism certificate. I'll just click on edit. Okay, so this is my EMC Institute of Journalism certificate form. Okay, where I have asked for the name, mobile number and email of the student. Here I'll be just going to after submission option, and here we can see integrate and webhooks option. Let's click on this. Here we can see direct integrations and webhooks and Zapier options. So let's click on webhooks. Here we can see add webhook option. Okay, so what we'll be doing, we'll just go to Pabbly Connect. We'll simply copy this webhook URL from here. We'll go back to our paper form, and here we are simply going to paste that webhook. Okay, so we have pasted the webhook URL. Now click on add webhook. So we can see that a webhook is added over here. Okay. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Here we can see it is waiting for the webhook response. So for this we have to first create an entry in our paper form. I'll just open the form. Here let us give the entry, and let's give the name as Adam Smith. Let's give the mobile number over here, and let's give the email address also, adamsmith@gmail.com. gmail.com. And let's click on submit. Submission successful. Check your WhatsApp for certificate. Okay. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here the response is received now. Okay. Here we can see the data value as Adam Smith. Okay. Here we can see the value as mobile number also captured over here. Here in the data value we can see the email address also. Along with that, submission ID, created, and all the details related to this particular form are captured over here. Okay. Now here we can see that the created at date is captured here. That is in YY, MM and DD format. That is year, month and date. And along with the time also. So in the certificate we don't want to include this time, and even the date should be in the format of DDMMY, YY. So what we will be doing, we will be just converting this particular date. For that, let us scroll down, okay, and come to this action application. Here in the application, we are going to select date and time formatter. Here in the action event, we have to select format date only. Let's click on connect. Here we have to enter the date which needs to be formatted. We have to map this date, that is created date, created at, okay. So let us map this details over here, details of the date. I'll just find created at, okay. Now we want to, in which format we want to convert it? We want it in DD, MM and YY format. So I'll be selecting this format, okay. From format is not required, so I'm just leaving it as blank. And let's click on save and send test request. Here we can see the response is received and result is in DDMM and YY format, that is 11th of October 2021. Okay, so now we want that using the details of this particular student, automatically a certificate should be generated. So let's move down, click on this plus sign, add application. Here in the action window, we have to select Google Slides. Let us select this. In the action event, we have to select create presentation from template. And now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Google Slides. Here we have to choose an account. So I'll just choose the account where I want to create the certificate. Pabbly Connect wants the access over here. I'll just click on continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. And now the Google Slides are connected to Pabbly Connected over here. Okay. Now here we have to select the template presentation. So I'll just take you to my template which I have already created for creating the certificate. Okay. This is the template. Okay. The file is getting open. EMC Institute of Journalism Certificate of Completion. This is to certify that here the name of the student is going to reflect has successfully completed the online journalism course. Here the date and the director signature is mentioned. And along with that, a certificate number is also, certificate number will be generated. Okay. So I want this particular template, journalism certificate template, to be used for creating the certificate. So in Pabbly Connect, we are going to select the template presentation as the same journalism certificate template. Here we have to give the title of new presentation. It means what should be the file name of the new certificate. So I want the file name of the certificate to be the same as the name of that particular student, that is Adam Smith. Okay, so I'll just map this. Here, new presentation location. Where do you want to save this particular certificate? So I have already created a folder in my Google Drive. I'll just show you that folder. It's a blank folder named EMC Institute of Journalism. So I want all the certificates to be saved here. So I'll be selecting this folder in Pabbly Connect. Okay, I'll just find EMC Institute of Journalism. Okay. Now here we have to enter the value which are going to be printed on the certificate. Okay. So in our certificate, we require the name which is in the curly braces, and along with that, the date is also required. So I'll be giving both these details now. Here the name we are going to map. So name will be again from paper form, that was Adam Smith. And Here we have to give the certificate number also. Okay, I'll take you certificate again. Here this certificate number will be generated. So in Pabbly Connect, we are going to select the certificate number as the submission ID, okay, which we have received. This is the form ID and this one is the submission ID. I'll be mapping this and the date, which we have got it from date and time formatter. So we'll be mapping this date now. Okay, and now let's click on save and send test request. Now here we can see the responses received and the presentation ID is generated. So I'll just maximize it. This is the presentation ID. So now we want to convert this particular presentation ID. Before that, let us check our Google Drive whether a certificate is created or not. I'll just take you to my Google Drive. And here we can see a certificate named Adam Smith. I'll just open this particular certificate. And here we can see EMC Institute of Journalism, Certificate of Completion. This is to certify that Adam Smith has successfully completed the online journalism course. Date is mentioned and here we can see the certificate number is also mentioned. So why we have given this particular certificate number? Just because it might happen that you have two students of the same name. So how you are going to differentiate both of them? So this certificate number will be unique for both of them and it will help us in differentiating both these particular students. Okay. So now the certificate is correct. Here let's go back to Pabbly Connect. Here we want to put this particular presentation ID needs to be converted so that a shareable format is created and this certificate should be shared with anyone. Okay. So let's move down, click on this add application. In the action window, let us select the application name as Google Drive. Let us select this. In the action event, we have to select share a file with anyone. Let's select this and let's click on connect. Again, we have to click on add new connection, connect with Google Drive. Here again, we have to choose an account. I'll just choose the account from where I want to share the certificate and let's give the access. Let's click on continue. Authorization successful and now Google Drive is connected. Okay. Here we have to give the file ID. So I'll just click on this mapping button. We have to enable it. I'll just erase this data as it is not required. Here we have to give the presentation ID which we have got from Google Slides. I'll just map the ID over here, Google Slides and presentation ID. And now let us click on save and send test request. Here we can see the responses received. The name is captured over here, Adam Smith, that is the file name. And here we can see export links application /PDF. So I'll just maximize this and show it to you. Here we can see a PDF file is generated. Okay, a PDF URL is there. So now we want to send this particular certificate on the WhatsApp number of the student. For this, let us scroll down, again click on this plus sign add application. In the action window, we are going to select 360 dialog. In the action event, we have to select send template message and now let's click on connect. Here again we have to click on add new connection. Here we can see enter API key and domain name. Two options are there. Here let's read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. So I'll just go to my 360 dialog account where I have already logged in. So this is the dashboard of 360 dialog account. I have added the link of 360 dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 dialog application and get 360 dialog service at a very affordable price. Here we have to come to this WhatsApp accounts. Let's click on this. Here we can see generate API key option. You have to click on this generate API key option and generate a API key. Once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for different workflows. We don't have to generate API key every time we create a workflow. Okay. So in my case, I have already generated the API key. I will be using the same API key. I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect and we have to paste the API key over here. Okay. Now it is asking for the domain name. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. An example is given, that https://waba. So I'll just copy this domain name and I'll just paste it over here. So whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you have got some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. Okay. So I'm not going to click on save now. You have to click on save, and I have already created a connection. I'll just click on existing connection and I'll just go ahead. Okay. You have to follow the steps which I have already told you to paste the API key over here and the domain name also. Okay. And then click on save. I'll just choose my existing connection and let's click on save. Now here 360 dialog account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Here we can see a template option. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the student. As you cannot directly send the messages to anyone on WhatsApp, first you have to create a template and then only you will be able to send the template messages on WhatsApp. So that is the reason we have to choose a specific template for sending the messages. Okay. So I'll take you to my 360 dialog account once again, and here you can find manage templates option. Okay. I'll just click on this. So here you can find many templates which I have already created and got it approved. Okay. If you want to create a new template, just click on this plus button, add template, and you can create a new template by yourself. Okay. So I have already created a template, that is certificate_link, and got it approved. I'll just open this and show it to you. Here you can see hello. The first parameter here, the name of the student is going to reflect. Congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed here the second parameter will come, and here the name of the course will be going to reflect. Okay, course name. Third is, please find the attached PDF containing your certificate. We know this certificate will be a great addition to your resume and we want to help you get there. Hope for your significant and successful career in life. Best regards. Here the institute name is going to reflect in the third parameter. Okay. So I'll just select this particular template, certificate_link in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Here let us select certificate_link. Here we can find namespace and language code. It is automatically captured. We are not going to change. Language code is English. So here we have to give the recipient's mobile number, who is going to receive the certificate. So I'll just give the mobile number of the student from paper form. I'll just select the mobile number, this one. Here the instruction is given, enter the recipient mobile number with country code. An example is given, +91. Okay. So as we are in India, we have to give our country code. I'll just add +91 before the number. So you have to give your country code over here. Okay. Here it is asking for the header document URL, and example is given .pdf file. So we have converted the PDF file here in Google Drive. So we are going to map these details now. Okay, I'll just go down and here I'll map the details from Google Drive and the PDF file, that was this export links application /PDF. Let us select this. Now it is asking for header document file name. What was the file name? The file name was same which was captured in Google Drive, that was Adam Smith. Okay, I will be selecting this. Here now we want body field 1, example is given Mahesh. So I'll just take you to my form template once again. Here we can see hello, and here the first parameter was name. So I'll just map the details of the name again. Okay, I'll go to paper form and again I will map the name over here. Sorry, yes, this one. Okay, now here we want body field 2, example digital marketing. So I'll just take you to my 360 template once again. Here we are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the course name. We want course name. So in our certificate, the course name was, okay, the certificate is getting open. The course name was Online Journalism Course. Okay. So I'll be just copying this and I'll just paste it over here. We can even type also. Okay. and the body field 3 example is given ABS Institute. So in our certificate template also we want the institute name to reflect over here, and the institute name was EMC Institute of Journalism. Okay, I'll just type it over here in body field 3. And now let us click on save and send test request. Now here we can see the responses received. So let us move to WhatsApp and check whether a certificate along with a message is received or there or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp. Okay, the page is getting loaded. And here we can see a message. I'll just open it. Hello Adam Smith, congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the online journalism course. Please find the attached PDF containing your certificate. We know this certificate will be a great addition to your resume and we want to help you get there. Hope for a significant and successful career in life. Best regards, EMC Institute of Journalism. So here we can see the name, that is Adam Smith as per our template. We want name in first parameter. In the second, course name should reflect. So in certificate also, here in the message also we can see online journalism courses reflected. And the last institute name is here. Okay. Here the institute name is showing. So the message is correct. Now let us check the WhatsApp, Now let us check the certificate also. I'll just download this certificate. Let's open this. And here we can see the correct certificate which we have created previously. I'll just show you that one also. This one, Adam Smith, date and certificate number. And here also we can find the same thing. Name Adam Smith, date and along with the certificate number. Okay. So I'll just move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now let us check this in the real time. Okay. So for this, I'll just go to my form once again, paper form, and let's create the entry of any other student over here. I'll just type the name as Shikha Arya. Her mobile number, I'll just give the same mobile number. Okay, and email address as Shikha Arya 12@gmail.com. And let's click on submit. Submission successful. Check your WhatsApp for certificate. Okay. Now let's check the Google Drive whether a certificate is created or not. Here we can see certificate name Shikha Arya is created. Now let's go to WhatsApp and check whether a message along with this certificate is received or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp. And here we can see, hello Shikha Arya, congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the online journalism course. Okay, the same message is sent to Shikha also. I'll just download the certificate and I'll just show it to you. And here EMC Institute of Journalism Certificate of Completion. This is to certify that Shikha Arya has successfully completed the online journalism course. Date and the director name is mentioned over here, along with the certificate number. So in this way we have seen that we have created a successful integration. So I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, I'll just minimize this WhatsApp also. Okay. So in this use case, we want that whenever we receive a new form submission in paper form, automatically a certificate should be created in Google Slides using a template. The same certificate should be converted into a PDF file so that it can be shared with anyone. And at last, we want the certificate along with the message should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the student. Here, we have used 360 dialog application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. And along with that, we have used the date and time formatter to format the date which we have received from the paper form submission. Okay. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between paper form, Google Slides, Google Drive and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of this workflow and Pabbly Connect is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.